Stickman videos are absolutely crushing it on YouTube right now. Channels in history, finance, and storytelling niches are getting millions of views with this simple style. But most tutorials tell you to buy expensive subscriptions. Not today. I'm going to show you exactly how to make these viral videos using 100% free tools. First, open the free version of ChatGPT. On the left, click Explore GPTs and search for Stickman Visuals. This tool is a cheat code. It turns any idea or image into the perfect prompt. Let's say you see a style you like. Just take a screenshot and upload it to the GPT. It analyzes the image and gives you a detailed text prompt. Copy that prompt. Now, for the image generation, we aren't using paid tools. We're using Whisk AI. It is completely free and unlimited. Paste your prompt, hit submit, and boom! Look at that. It matches the reference style perfectly. You can also create backgrounds. Just tell the ChatGPT bot, "Walking in Dubai." It gives you the prompt, you paste it into Whisk, and now you have your environment. It's that easy. Here's the best part. You don't need to guess. Paste your entire video script into the Stickman Visuals GPT. It will break down your script scene by scene and give you the exact image prompt you need for every single shot. Just copy the prompt, paste into Whisk, and download your images. Static images are boring, so let's animate them for free. Go to Grok AI's Imagine tool. Upload the image you just made and click Make Video. In the text box, describe the action. For example, static shot thinking about money. This controls the camera and movement. Hit generate, and in seconds, your Stickman is alive. You can even upscale it to HD right here. Finally, you need a voice. Don't pay for 11 Labs. Go to Google AI Studio. It's totally free. Paste your script, choose a voice, and click Run. Now you have professional audio. Combine it all in your editor, and here is the final result.
I want to make money, but I'm always sleeping, so I thought how to make money while I'm sleeping. So I came up with an idea to make money. The idea is to print fake money.
That is how you make viral content for free. If you found this helpful, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.